Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a luxury scent box. The reason I wanted to talk about them is because I hate going to the mall more than anything in the whole world, especially because I always have at least one child with me. So basically because of that, I never go and pick out different perfumes and fragrances, and especially with like the holidays and everything like that coming, it's just kind of a pain in the butt. So because of that, I found luxury scent box and I've never tried them before. They're $15 a month for luxury and niche perfumes. Niche, I think that's how you say it. And what's even better is that you don't have to go out in public to get your orders. And what's great is that they have men and women's colognes and fragrances. So that's perfect. My husband, he loves cologne. He probably has way more than I do, and every year that's kind of my gift to him is some sort of cologne. But I always had to lug my kids to the mall, and especially fighting traffic around holiday time, super annoying. So I'm super excited that I found this company. They're based out of Orange County, California. Something that's definitely different about them that a lot of other companies don't do is that you can set up your own calendar and you can basically decide what you want for what month, like what interests you, which I think is incredible because with holidays coming, I know for me personally, I always forget to buy at least one person something. So if you set up your calendar ahead of time, you're gonna get it in and you won't even remember that it's coming. So I think that's really cool that it could either be like a last minute holiday gift for someone or for yourself, whatever, you know, treat yourself. But I really like it too that you can change your scent styles like as the seasons are changing. So say like right now, I want something more summery, fun, you know, a little bit more florally, I could do that. Or you could set it up to where like in October, say I want something that has more nuts and hazelnuts because it's fall and I'm just feeling like the pumpkins and all that kind of stuff, you know, you can do that as well. So that's really awesome that you can kind of do it ahead of time. So it's really, really simple. All you do is go on to their website and then you put in your information, obviously, and then you basically answer some questions of what kind of fragrances you like, what are your favorites, what kind of scent interest you, things like that, and then they will do the rest for you. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. It comes with a nice little carrying case, which is great if you want to throw it in your purse or your luggage, anywhere. It's going to keep it nice and safe. And the first one that I have 2 months worth. This one is called, you open it up, obviously the box. It comes in a nice little sleek and slim packaging. You just basically twist it and then the fragrance will pop out for when you want to refill it. So the one I have right here is Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. Smells like a dream basically. I've never smelled any Marc Jacobs perfumes that I haven't liked. I love them all. I live for them. This is actually one of my husband's favorite scents because he's super picky. It has a little touch of floral, but it's not overpowering and overwhelming and just like, it's not one of those scents where it's so strong where it just takes over the whole room. I love this. It's very flirty and feminine, and this is something you can definitely wear during the daytime. And then the other one I received is Bright Crystal by Versace. This is the first time I've ever smelled Versace, and it definitely has more of like a sensual, sexier feel to it. Definitely something a little bit maybe more of nighttime. I can tell a little bit would go a long way with this one. And honestly, if you don't basically shower yourself in these, they can definitely last you longer than a month. Don't tell them I told you that. This definitely smells amazing. I can't believe I've never smelled Versace before, but I really, really love it. They offer over 500 brands like Versace and Armani and Dolce & Gabbana and Chloe and Gucci and one of my personal favorites, Lancome. You guys, I think I've done a video on them before. That La Dolce V, I don't even know how to say it. I'm an idiot, but that's one of my favorite perfumes ever. So I'm super, super excited to show you guys this. I hope this helps, you know, with the holidays coming. So I hope you guys like this video and let me know if you guys decide to try this. I'll leave all the details in the link below. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon.